Before I can do anything, I have to cook this sausage. This is Italian sausage, chicken Italian sausage. And before I can start this video, I have to cook this sausage in this casing first. Because if I don't, I won't be able to slice it. So that's what I'm doing. What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Hey, y'all, it's your girl Rita, and I am on here to do a video. And I think you're gonna like it. It's gonna be quick and it's gonna be easy, and I'm gonna try to record it quickly as well. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up, my dude, my boo? How you doing? Welcome to See What Rita's Cooking. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've been my day one, my long time subscriber, I'm so glad that you support me and that you've been here on this journey with me. I appreciate it. And to my new subbies, hey y'all, how y'all doing? So glad to have y'all on another one. Today I'm going to be doing a one skillet meal, and I think you're gonna like it. Make sure you give me the thumbs up on this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you have that notification bell clicked so that when I do a video, you are privy, you are in the know, you are riding with me, and you can do this too. So at the beginning of this video, you will notice that I had to cook, not really cook all the way, but I had to prepare my Italian sausage. I have some chicken Italian sausage that's in the casing that I'm going to be using for this video. And the video is one skillet. What is it called? One skillet chicken Italian sausage. Now, I don't know if that's what I want to call it. Well, anyway, one skillet meal with a chicken Italian sausage. I don't know if I got no title for it right now yet, but you're gonna like it anyway. So I've said hi, I've loved on you, I feel the love coming through, baby, and I am ready to show you this one. It is a late night. I have been gone all day, and so I'm ready to cook, get out of this get up, and get done. So let's get right on to it. So right here, this is my skillet, you guys. I have my skillet that I kind of lightly cooked my sausage in so that I could slice my sausage. And this is the skillet for that. And then this skillet, I've just got some olive oil heating on the stove and getting ready. Now me, I'm going to start with my potatoes first. A lot of people start with their sausage first, but I think the potatoes take the longest. So I'm going to start with the potatoes. And the potatoes that I am using is red potatoes. And I'm going to be kind of skillet frying these potatoes. I cut them in these wedges. When I'm doing a skillet meal, I still want it to be kind of have a little personality to it. So I'll change that with the way that I cut things and stuff like that. And I'll let that kind of guide me through what I want to do. Now, let me get my wooden spoon, you guys. Okay. Now, what I'm going to be seasoning these potatoes with is salt and pepper and garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. That's what I'm going to start out with as my seasoning, okay? I'm just going to season these, turn them up on medium-high, season them, and let them go. Now, some recipes, they start with the meat first, but like I said, I like to get these potatoes on out the way because we know that potatoes, you know, they be a little attitudinal. Never know what you're going to get. Okay? Some salt, some pepper, black pepper, and some garlic powder. That's what we're going to season these with. Now, at the end of here, when I get all my other stuff in here, y'all, I'm going to be adding some cherry tomatoes, some onions, some bell pepper, And then I'm gonna be dropping down in here some fresh herbs, some fresh cut up rosemary, and some fresh cut up thyme, and not thyme, basil. I'm sorry, you guys. And that's what I'm gonna be dropping in here as well. I'm gonna let these cook and get beautiful like I want them, and then I will show you guys what comes next. Okay, hold on. Okay, so once I start, I don't know what I did. I was trying to pause and not have so many pieces, but once you start getting some color on your potatoes, I'm gonna let these potatoes continue to cook, okay? But I'm going to make me some space in here. Now, everybody's not going to have this much food. Now, you know, y'all know I cook big like I'm cooking for an army platoon. So, if you're fortunate enough, or you're lucky enough, or whatever, blessed enough, whatever the word is, to have a lot of people around you and you can feed them. I don't know if that's a blessing or not. Anyway, if you're cooking a lot and you don't have a big enough skillet to move your food around, am I letting y'all see a good picture? Just go ahead on and take your potatoes out. But the potatoes are not all the way finished, and that's why I start with them first, so they can continue cooking while I'm cooking everything else. Now to the potatoes, I'm going to add my sausage. And I've cut my sausage in slices. This is why I let it kind of cook on the outside, so it will be pliable enough for me to cut it into some slices like this. And then I will start cooking both of these together, okay? Okay? Making some room up in here. And just start cooking it. These two are going to take the longest, okay? So you just have to let them do what they're doing, and that's what we're going to do. But the reason why I did that is because this is raw chicken in a chicken Italian sausage in a casing. And if you just try to slice that casing with that raw chicken, it'll just all fall apart. In order for me to get some slices like this, I have to kind of put a little cook on the outside of that sausage so that I can slice it. And now I'm going to cook these potatoes and this sausage until it gets done. And then I'll show you what else we're going to add. Okay? Okay, y'all. So we're getting there, y'all. Okay? So we got our potatoes still cooking. We got our meat. Now it's almost done. I'm just going to drop a little bit of oil right here in this spot. And I'm going to add some onion. This is one medium onion. Okay? I'm going to add that. I'm going to add some green and orange bell pepper. Alright? And I'm going to add me some garlic, because you know I got to have me some garlic. And this is about 10 or 15 cloves. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to take about half of that amount. And I'm going to drop it down in here. Now, when you're doing a sheet meal or a sheet pan dish or a one pan dish, zhuzh it up, you know. Make sure you got some color in there, a lot of flavor in there, because that's what kind of takes it from ordinary to, you know, oohs and ahs, you know. Just start getting a cook on this, okay? We all know that this is not going to take long, okay? And in the meanwhile, this stuff is still cooking. I still got it on a medium-high heat. Okay, these are already starting to get good and sweaty. As soon as these get good and sweaty like I want them, kind of sauteed, smells delicious, you guys. I'm going to start moving my meat and potatoes on top of that, and I'm going to continue to cook, okay? Start sliding some of that up under there. Start moving some of that over here. Look at this, you guys. Delicious. And we're not done with the taste and the flavor of the Flavor Town, honey. I am Flavor Queen. Y'all know that. If we gonna cook, if I'm gonna cook, listen, it's gotta be worth my time. I gotta be full to where I feel like I done committed a sin, and now I feel like I just like, Lord have mercy. I know I shouldn't have ate like that. When I take my time to cook, that's how I want my food to be. I don't waste my time just to be cooking, just to be cooking. I don't do that. Who do that? I don't do that. I don't know why you would do that. It's gotta be like, everybody in the family saying, Mama, that was good. Baby, that was good, you know. And most of all, I'm cooking it, so I'll be like, girl, that was good, sis. That was good, sis. So I'm going to continue to saute this up in here. And then we're going to find out the last few items that I put in here. Don't that look good, you guys? I mean, just check it out. Don't that look delicious, okay? So we're going to keep on cooking. And I'm going to judge when it's ready by when my potatoes are fork tender, and they are getting there, you guys. They are getting there, okay? If you don't have a big skillet that you can do all this in, you can do each thing one at a time and then put it on a sheet pan and put it in the oven and bake it the rest of the way, okay? All right, we're going to keep on doing this, and then I'm going to show you what I do next. Okay, let me turn on some lights. So I got my stuff all charred up and looking good, honey child, and cooked all down. Yes, honey, just like I like. Potatoes all good and whew. Yes, now I'm going to add me some more color, because y'all know I am about cooking with my eyes and stuff like that. Add me some tomatoes. These are just some tri-colored cherry tomatoes. Gonna put them right down on the top of here. Alright. Gonna add me some fresh herbs. This is some rosemary and some Thai basil. That's just what this is. And then this is ready, because you know these tomatoes have to cook about a minute or so, and then that flavor will burst right into there, bursting with flavor. Yes, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. It is done. It is so done. It is done. It is so. One skillet chicken Italian sausage with peppers and potatoes. Red potatoes, green and yellow bell peppers, tri-colored tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and did I say red potatoes? I hope I did. That's it, y'all. It is ready. It is ready. It is set, okay? And it is set. It is written. Okay. Another good one, you guys. Another quick one. Another great one for summer. Another great weeknight, weekend, when you're trying to feed a bunch of people. This is a good one, you guys. A good one, okay? See what it tastes like. And turn it down. Okay, I'm just going to give me a couple of potatoes, a little cherry tomato, a little this and a little that, a little yummy. I should have did all red. That red would have popped a little bit more. I want this to have more color. You know, I love some colorful food, y'all. Use the red potatoes because they are creamier. They cook quicker, okay? That's why I use them. But they're tender. See that? It's tender now. It's ready. It's ready, okay? Lord, we thank you for this day. We thank you for this food. Thank you for another day that wasn't promised to us first. We just want to thank you. Thank you first. Don't ask for nothing. Just say thank you that we're here, that we got another chance to do things right. We appreciate it. We're grateful. Lord, thank you for this food. Let it be a nourishment to our bodies. If any of my subbies try this meal, let it be a nourishment to their bodies, and let everybody that they're cooking for say, girl, dude, you cooked that, you did that. And Lord, if you ain't got nothing else to do, you just hanging out and you want to be good, let this be good on our lips and not so bad for our hips, and we appreciate it. And it's in your name that we ask all these blessings. Amen. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna get a little pepper, I want all of it. I want it all. Okay. Okay, well, let me let you taste it first, like I always do. Get you some pepper, get you some potato. Here now. And now it's hot now, blow it. Okay? Be a greedy little thing. Go on. Okay, now give me some. Mm-hmm. It's hot, okay? Good. Very good. Yes. Yep. Delicious. You're gonna like it. When you do, tell me how good it is when you make it, because it's good. Now, I don't ask much of y'all, but please like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. Like, hit that thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And like I always tell you, you know, your food ain't all the way live till it's been RitasEatas. So go RitasEatas, use some chicken Italian sausage and peppers. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.